How to fix apps not responding error in Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix apps not responding error on Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So without any further ado, let's begin. So if you want to fix your apps not responding, let's take an example and say that my Spotify is not working or not responding. So first what I will do is head over to the App Store, then search for Spotify and check for updates. Make sure that your app that is not responding is up to date to the latest version. Sometimes due to outdated version, the app might not respond. The other thing that you can do is head over to your settings. On your settings, head over to apps. On your apps, find Spotify. If you don't find it, tap on see all apps and then open Spotify up. After you're there, what you'll need to do is there you'll see storage and cache. Tap on storage and cache. And from here, clear out your cache. Tap on clear cache option, and after your cache has been cleared, the glitches should stop. If not, what you can do is restart your device, and after you restart your device, try to uninstall the app and then install it back again, and that should fix the problem. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.